check out this cool design. It's a half sphere with little cutouts for the eyes and mouth, ready to let the light shine through. Inside goes a tiny LED candle. That's where the magic happens. I'm turning it around so you can see every angle. Simple, but super cool. Here are the ghost's little hands. These half egg shapes on the sides will hold the fabric and bring the ghost to life. I'm spinning them a bit so you can see how they fit. Simple, but they make all the difference when it's put together. To build the structure, we're using 3 rods, 2 short ones and a long one. They're 8 millimeters thick. The short ones are 10 centimeters and the long one can be a meter or more. These rods will hold the ghost together and keep the fabric in place perfectly. And of course, we've got this tiny LED candle. It's safe, small, and perfect to put inside the little ghost. When you turn it on, the eyes and mouth light up magically. Time to put the ghost together. First, we place the rods into the head, then connect the little hands on each side. Everything fits perfectly, and our ghost is starting to take shape. Look how it turned out now! Let's place the rod to hold it up. And there it is! LED candle on. Time to throw the white fabric on top, just like this, and boom! Check out this ghost! It looks even cooler in the dark. And now, let's play with a little boo boo! Come on, don't tell me that didn't spook you a bit. And that's our little ghost, ready to light up the night. Another creation from the Phantasmita section of Viking Zone, where 3D magic meets the spooky world of Halloween. If you liked it, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell. There's plenty more spooky creations coming your way. And remember, all the models are up on Cults 3D, so you can print your own glowing ghost. See you in the next project, if you dare.